Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your Tata 1mg app. I'll be showing you how you can order your medicines and detailed review about the app. Before going to the next step, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on our videos. So if you don't have an 1mg app account, you can create it. To need a instruction or steps, we have a video in our YouTube channel. You can go check out the video how to create the same. Please open Orion Healthcare Professional. They ask, you can give it a yes or no, whatever it is. So this is the home page of the app. So you will get lot of option, that is lab test, medicine, consult doctor, health products, COVID support, article, health records, bill, pill reminder, everything. So whatever you're looking for, you can get it. So there are even the health concerns category diabetic care as such. If you click on that, on kidney care as such, it will suggest you what type of test you can get it, or what kind of doctor you can go, what are the top branch of medicine that is used for kidney care as such. So it gives you large number of selection as such. And if you want to book any medicines, you can click on medicines, look for the medicines, and you can click add to your cart, and you can, please make sure you have a prescription, because it will ask for your prescription to be uploaded, or else your doctor number, so that they'll check for some of the prescribed medicine that you're ordering. So as you use the other shopping apps, it is the same way. Go look for the medicine, and if you want to look for any particular medicines, you can uh, search over here. I'll be looking for uh, Dolo 650. As you can see, it gives me the suggestion. Here you have lot of options. You can click minimum quantity. It has been shown that we have to order two. Like that, you have lot of other options also. You can search for them, add it, go to cart, check your bill as such. As you can see, this Dolo is does not need any prescription, because it's a common tablet which is used, we will get in any medical shop. It's the same way. If there are any other medical medicines, that it will ask you to upload the prescription, make sure that you have it on diabetics as such. Check out, pay the amount, and add your address as such. And you can check on the coupon codes. If you are ordering for more than, there will be a lot of coupon codes available. You can check on them, explore on them, add it, and you can pay them. If you have any questions, please comment below. We will be happy to rectify it. And not only medicines, you can also like book for an health checkup, lab checkup, everything. As you can see, you'll get an good discounts from this app. So you have an COVID support. If you want to consult doctor from your place, and you don't have time to go to any clinic as such, you have a wide selection of the doctor consultant with good experience. You can explore them and book an appointment online and check and consult them. So it gives an good medical support app, the platform, so you can explore more. Please check out the app, and if you have any questions, comment below. We will look forward to rectify it. Thank you.